Hi everyone, this is Akshay Kumar. This is from AR Group of Solutions. So myself, I'm Akshay Kumar, founder of this AR Group of Solutions. Today, I'm glad to meet everyone over here in community channel called YouTube channel. So basically, I have experience around 7 years experience in teaching field, and I have developed very other projects which deals with real time world projects military based projects also have dealt some projects. So well, I'm here to explain you all about advanced projects regarding this Python. Not only we are going to focus on Python courses, but we are also thinking implementing other course. Whereas nowadays this has been very major part of this Python course. So I would like to explain everything YouTube channel called AR Group of Solutions. Today I'm going to teach you all about how to start and basically how to deal with this Python course. And upcoming, we also thinking of upload some electronic projects which deals with MicroPython. So very soon, our team and myself, I'm going to going to teach you all about the things. Well, if you in this in the YouTube channel, no YouTube channel provides live classes. So whereas in if you have any doubts, if you're not able to clarify, at bunch of people, not single to or two to three people, at bunch of a lot of cases comes up. I'm going to take charge regarding this. I'm going to arrange a live meeting class for you people. So well, this is a solution minus solution company. So that's the main point of view. I need to provide what are the question comes from you. I need to provide. So basically, we provide a software for end products. We build websites. We have we are into industry from around past 2 years. So basically, so I would like to explain you all about clear cut about the projects, how to deal, how to start your career, and step by step. So trust me, guys, just subscribe to this channel, I mean YouTube channel, so that you can get everything free of cost, and I'm going to guide you each and every part. And we also have some paid courses. Don't say me later you said me do enroll over here. We have free course consists of free stuff and other some other paid which are really helps you to boost up your energy parts. And we also offer those courses. And the major part of these things here I'm going to introduce languages in three languages. That's Hindi, Telugu and English. So that different playlists are offered in this YouTube channel right now. Okay, you can go through either of the languages which you really want. And one more thing, based on on the comment section asking me about this making this language, I'm going to go and upload the content of these videos. So well, now let us get into the roadmap. What is my course offer here in the YouTube channel right now? This is basic course, basic core Python, and we also this is going to be consist of basic core, how do you basically start your Python, which compiler do you need, what are the libraries going to install, and which VS coding editors you need to install, and this everything going to cover in a basic part. Is going to take approximately 1 to 20 days. And coming to data structures, this is the main part of this advanced course. We can also call this as second part is advanced course. So over here I would like to explain every advanced course we'll well pandas, numpys, data structure course, everything going to consist of advanced level 2. And what is products? After learning of these things, now we are going to shift at product side. Product is a major nowadays this is a major part really industry works on this we need to develop a real-time project where even I wanted to show you how at end of this Python end of this Python courses which we offer, which we give. So we are going to develop one real-time project where you can implement this through a cloud server any other cloud servers containers also got dockers like that. Still I'm also going to help you out to build your GitHub profile, whereas you can deploy your code over there and showcase to your things in a resume. So this is a stage we are going to start core basics and advanced. We are going to move like this. The roadmap is looks like this, moving slowly from pipeline. These are things like this pipeline. And this is going to be a product. Product is nothing but what are the things you implemented through this advanced machine learning or data science, AI, artificial intelligence. We are going to make a product. So this is a possibility, and we are we only target on a lot of real world data projects. So well, our company meets only real time projects. So we would like, we will teach you like how to start and how to start. So after a while, we are going to give some internship projects going to be launched by our portals like yagroupofsolutions.com very soon. So once the portals are login started, you can start building your projects according to our need. We provide you some topics, beyond your marks and everything. Our consisting of a group going to be assigned to you, and you can work with us. So this is all our we test our we follow the certain principles which can be lead a good company, and you can also get a good career of these things. Thank you. Thank you guys. This is how mail ID you can contact us. This is our website. We are into basically work from Hyderabad, and we have Telangana state. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned. We can get a lot of videos. I'm going to upload this every possibility alternate days, at least three to four videos at the weekend. Definitely I'm going to upload, and you can also check it out the videos, and you can subscribe and share this channel to you. Thank you guys. Hopefully everyone has. Thank you.